Hi everyone, in this video guide I'm gonna show you how to change your phone number in Telegram application. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, find Telegram application on your phone, and once you're here you can tap on settings gear at the bottom right corner. After that you can tap on edit button at the top right corner. After that, you can scroll down until you find change number section. And here is your number. You can tap on it, and after that you can tap on change number. So right here you can choose your country, for example Argentina, and type in here your new number. After that you can tap on continue, and Telegram will be able to send you SMS code, and you should type in it in your Telegram. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Telegram.